Hey fam, welcome back or welcome if you're new. We are the Watler family, and here I'm just making some homemade cough syrup for the kids, a little home remedy. I chopped half of an onion and then I added it to the food processor, and now I'm adding it into this mason jar where I'm going to just let it sit for about a day. Sometimes I add garlic and I let it sit for about 3 days and let it steep and just get all those benefits out, and it's really good for the cough. So we know the onion, it's like a natural prebiotic, and it's also good for your lungs. And also the honey, it just suppresses the cough and has so many benefits to it. And I'm just going to mix it up, add 3 tablespoons also of lemon juice, and I'll add a halo there at the end as well. And yeah, I'm just going to let it sit. Like I said, this is one of the things that I do for them when they're sick. And yeah, you could see there that it got so much turned steep and got more. And yeah, the smell is so good. I'll just strain it here and let it give some to the kiddos. And my daughter and my toddler, my oldest and my youngest, they're the two that are sick right now, but thank God they're getting better. Anyways, I give this to them once or twice a day, and it really helps. What is it?
Medicine.
Yay! You're getting better, but you're still sick, right? So drink it all for mom. It's that. Um. Oh, good job.
Bye.
It's medicine, baby. Look, it's just medicine. Ready? 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 All right, Papa. Mama give it to you later? Later? Okay.